Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 1.2, the surface area of spheres. So we have the sphere here and we also have a formula here. There's really not much to it other than plugging in the numbers. The only trick to sometimes maybe be aware of is if you are given the diameter. So in this case, we have 6 centimeters as the diameter, but it goes across the entire sphere, which means that we have to take half of that. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3 centimeters. Okay, so we plug this into our equation here. 3 squared. Maybe I should write 3 centimeters. No, whatever, I'll just write 3 squared. So then this is 4 pi, and then just a reminder for some people, if you forgot, squared means you times it by itself, so 3 times 3. So 4 times 3 times 3 is 9, times pi. So 4 times 9 is 36 pi. So that's, if you're doing it by hand, the answer that you'd be left with. But you can also have the final answer is, if you typed into your calculator, would be 113 centimeters squared, because this is surface area. Okay, so that's one really easy example, but you could also be asked something about maybe a bowl. So maybe we have a bowl that goes around like this, and it's a perfectly spherical bowl, except that it's only half of a sphere. So then you're asked, what's the surface area? So of the outside of the bowl. So it's just the outside, which means that it's half of this formula, right? So we take that surface area formula and we divide it by 2 because it's half of a sphere, right? It's half a sphere, it's a hemisphere. So that would be this shape here. So if our radius is, let's say 4, whoopsies, our radius is 4 centimeters. No, a bowl has a bigger radius than that. Let's say 6 centimeters. Is that reasonable? Yeah, I think that's about reasonable for a bowl. Okay, so if our bowl has 6 centimeters, then we can just plug that into our equation. So 4 divided by 2, let's just simplify that to 2 pi, and then 6 squared. So now 2 times 6 squared. 6 squared is 36, so let's just write 2 times 36. So we're at 72 pi, which if you type that into your calculator, you get 226 centimeters squared. So really that's as complicated as spheres can possibly get. So I hope this video helps you understand the surface area of spheres. Good luck!